अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मेरा नाम ज़िक्रिया है और मैं टेक फॉरवर्ड चैनल आपको स्वागत करता है। आज जो आप वीडियो देखने वाले हैं इसमें Asus ROG cereberus LED backlit USB गेमिंग कीबोर्ड की अनबॉक्सिंग है। तो जैसा कि आप भी जानते हैं, ये स्प्लैश प्रूफ डिज़ाइन विद ड्रेन होल है। तो आप अगर भी गिलास भी गिरा दें पानी का, कोई कॉपर गिलास spoiled on it, it will spoils water from its drain holes. Okay, from back side of the box you will see that you have two colors of RGB LED lights, blue color and red color. These are macro keys, 12 macro keys. Very nice packaging by Asus. I really love Asus. They send quality products all around the world. Okay, let's open the box. Yeah, this is your box. The cereberus LED backlit US Asus in search of incredible. This is the Asus VIP member warranty notice. Wow, it comes in every languages: English, French, Dansk, Sami, etc. Now the other items, we have the quick start guide. It has different languages: English, French, Italian, etc. It has the media player control, backlit control, volume down, FN key, page up and down, increase or decrease backlit brightness. And that's all. User manual. Also my user manual. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, this is the gaming keyboard. I recently bought this keyboard, so it is also packed in bubble sheet wrapper. Very nice keyboard, nice looking. Okay, wow, incredible. Awesome keyboard by Asus. Asus cereberus logo, Asus logo, LED light, cereberus LED light. There are 3 drain holes. 1, 2, 3. There are also rubber pads for protecting your plastic cover. Drain holes, okay. Okay. Now the keyboard is on. You have 2 colors. You simply need to press F1 and caps lock button. Now you have your breathing mode and stable mode. No, it is not stable. Lightning mode is stable. You can increase the brightness of your lightning by pressing F1 and pressing F+. Here you have the pause, play, forward, next, previous, and volume up and down. The cereberus logo is also blinking. Guys, this is very interesting product. It is also the waterproof keyboard. I really like it. Okay, let's check this out by experiment. So I have the half bottle of water. So let's check this out. Now check this out, man. Awesome keyboard. Now the water is coming from that hole. Awesome keyboard. Awesome. Waterproof keyboard. You don't have to worry about any water. Okay. Okay, there's you have two LED colors, red, also red. Keyboard is working fine, dude. Awesome. Look at this.